Hello, and welcome to the next module where we'll be talking about the rainy street scene. Let's start from the scene overview so you will know what is the goal of this visualization and what we are aiming to do. So first of all, this is a visualization of the high-end hotel that is located in the city on the street corner. The thing is that we need to highlight the quality and standard of this place, but also show really clearly for who it is dedicated to. In this case, it's rather for wealthy individuals than regular people. We also need to think about what space in this hotel is the most important, the greatest to show. Based on this, we can think about our composition, how to set up the camera, what lighting to use, and so on. Let's start from the composition. In the main image, we've used the rule of thirds as a base. I like to use it especially in the vertical proportions as it guarantees a great effect. This way, we can draw the viewer's attention to the most important parts of the building. In our case, it will be the lobby. And on the other intersections of the lines, we can use objects to balance the composition. Here, we decided to use the central composition, symmetry. Thanks to this, we make the building look powerful. It's the same technique used in photography. You can find plenty of images using this composition rule that shows churches or governmental buildings in order to perceive them as powerful and add them authority. Anyway, this symmetry composition is broken by this red car on the left-hand side. It's to create additional interest in the image, but at the same time, not to distract the viewer's attention from the most important and the most representative part of the building, the lobby. We helped ourselves to set the camera in the scene with the golden spire rule. So we have a building's element position along the spline. And at the end of this spiral, in the focal point, we position the human figure. The man getting out of his car. Additionally, the red lights of the car are located along the spline as well. As figures drag the viewer's attention automatically, it's a really good move to position people at the focal points as it helps to attract viewers to the most important parts of the building. In the close-up image, we use the 3D person with the car to show the connection between the outside and inside. And here, we use the golden ratio rule. And this is a close-up. Everything is more focused towards the center of the image. You can notice that the lobby is the brightest part of the image. By using high contrast, we also help the viewers to focus on the lobby, which is in the center of the image. And this is our goal. Additionally, by using properly dressed and looked characters, we create an impression of the high standard space, as we all automatically combine these sorts of facts together. So not only the building's design, using high standard materials is a key, but also who we will place in this space. Similar rules are used for the other two images. What is important, when creating the set of images of the same space, they all should match each other, the colors, style, the story, and so on. The mood is similar on all images. The lobby is the brightest part of the image, and the lobby itself stands out from the surroundings, but at the same time, it composes well with the old buildings in the background. The hotel simply completes the old city. And finally, in all images, we used figures to drag the viewer's attention to the hotel. Okay, so I think now you have a great understanding of what the image is all about, what is our general goal during the creation process. In the next lesson, we'll discuss storytelling in the visualization. See you there!